Karibu ndani ya FM Show KE. Ni kati ya visa vinavyogonga vyombo vya habari nchini Kenya kwa sasa kuhusiana na kutekwa nyara kwa moja kati ya wafanyikazi wake gavana wa kaunti ya Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja, ambaye ni mkurugenzi na mkuu wa kitengo cha upelelezi na uchunguzi nchini Kenya, Amin Habdi, ambaye anasimamia kitengo cha upelelezi cha DCI ameweza kutoa matamshi yake kulingana na hili. The DCI boss Mr. Amin Mohammed reveals new details of the abduction of Governor Sakaja's Aide Osman Khalif. The Director of Criminal Investigations DCI boss Mohamed Amin has provided an update on the ongoing investigation into the disappearance of Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja's Aide Osman Khalif. The DCI boss summoned to appear in court delegated DCI Regional Coordinator Peter Njeru to represent him on Monday. Njeru informed the court that the alleged abduction of Osman Khalif was not captured by any CCTV cameras at the scene. This revelation raises challenges for investigators, highlighting the complexity of the case. Amin conveyed the DCI's intention to conduct cyber analysis at the alleged abduction site, aiming to identify any additional phone numbers present during the incident. This digital investigation underscores the modern techniques employed by law enforcement agencies to unravel mysteries surrounding disappearances. Contrary to initial reports, the Sarit Center shopping mall denied that the alleged kidnapping took place within its premises. The mall has been directed by the court to file an affidavit detailing the circumstances surrounding the incident. Justice Chacha Muita has given the DCI until the 27th of November to provide a status update on Osman Khalif's case. The High Court summons for Amin and the Inspector General of Police Japhet Koome, along with Safaricom's directive to produce car tracking records, highlight the urgency and gravity with which the court views this matter. Osman Khalif, the Nairobi liaison officer, has been missing since November 10th, with reports suggesting he was allegedly abducted by 5 gunmen inside a mall located in Nairobi's Westlands area at approximately 5 p.m. The use of a double cabin vehicle by the abductors adds another layer of intrigue to this mysterious case. It is a case that has left a lot of Kenyans with a lot of questions. If an aide to the governor of Nairobi County can disappear without trace, how about a normal citizen of the Republic of Kenya? That's what's up. Make sure you subscribe to FMKE for more news update.